One call away na uli. So we are here in Tagaytay. It's Lola Connie's birthday, and we're here. We're spending the night, and all the kids are listening to is play the guitar, and they sing along when they know the song. This is a live jamming session with Ate AC. You want? Yan, katuwaan na po dito sa party. We're in Tagaytay. Yeah. Playing the guitar, jamming habang nanonood ng ABS-CBN. Magaling, magaling. Eto si Kylie, Kyla, Maxie, si mga po ito, matanda na, si Macy, and si AC. Macy and AC. Okay. Ayan. So ito po yung aming jamming session. Wala nang bagong kanta?
Ano na po, naubos na po.
Naubos na ang kanta. Ulit-ulit sa umpisa! Ulit na para ma-perfect. Okay, malipat tayo sa kabila. This is the jamming session. Now, let's go to the chismisan section here. Hello. Ayan. Walang magawa eh. Kakagising ko lang.